Okay, finally got it done. How long did it take you, Ben?
Longer than I thought.
Okay, let's check it out.
Yeah.
What do you got? What do you got?
Huh?
What do you got? Let's see.
Rhino.
Let's check it out.
Alright. So I had to make adjustments to your
Okay.
doors.
Okay, so let's see. What do you have to do? Man, that looks cute.
Yeah, it does look cute.
Small.
What do you think?
It's small. It's cute.
Yeah.
Okay, what did you have to adjust?
I had to adjust the bars. So the
Oh.
front two bars I moved back.
These two?
Yep.
This one and this one?
Yeah, they were too far off. It wasn't
Okay.
gonna work with this tent.
Okay.
And so now they're 18 apart on center.
Okay, perfect.
I adjusted all of the feet. I torqued everything back down.
Okay.
So yeah, it's solid.
Sweet. Okay.
And then
That's
we used
awesome.
the 2.0 mounting feet for the
Oh.
like your buddy had on his.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so everything is, and then you just retighten the feet, right?
Yeah. Well, the feet are all tight. Everything here. Oh, you're talking about the feet for the rack, yeah.
Here.
Yep.
The bolt.
I went through and I checked every single one of them.
Okay.
All of these bolts got retightened.
Okay.
This, I mean, went through
Yeah.
the entire rack, so it's solid.
Shoot. So you know how much this entire thing weighs? 155 pounds.
With the rack, yeah.
Can't
That's
beat
awesome. Very cool.
it. Okay, so you want to show us how to
let's
open it?
Show you how this works. So
And where's the ladder?
inside.
Oh, okay.
So you got these keys. Where's
Come here, Marcy.
Marcy?
She's in a video too.
You guys got both angles.
Yeah.
So I'll show you how this works, right? You have these keys. The keys themselves won't detach unless it's in a locked position. So you want to keep that locked, right?
Okay.
It's also a good reminder not to lose your keys. You see it won't pull out until
Yeah.
it's locked.
So I get one key.
That's it. Yep. No, you get two keys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, put them on your hearing here. So, I actually give this to you. Because I don't need the keys.
Okay.
So to open this up, you're just gonna lock it off.
Then lock it again.
We're just gonna lift up on the lid, and then the struts will take over.
Okay.
You have a tall Jeep, so I recommend using
A ladder.
here.
Okay.
Yeah. This has never been opened before, so it's a little tight.
Wow. Okay.
All right.
Oh, that's easy.
So your ladder's right here. I'm gonna unlatch it.
I might have to get a little step stool.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. So open this pen up.
Wow.
Just gonna do that. Now,
Do you normally leave that bag on the bottom or just
no,
take it off?
take this off.
Okay.
So this, we call it a sock.
Okay.
This is important to keep. You're gonna always use it every single time.
Okay.
The reason is where that moonroof is,
Yep.
when it's all closed up, it can interact with the rubber on the feet.
Oh, okay.
And so this just protects that moonroof from discoloring.
That makes
right.
sense.
So, show that here. You'll notice a lot of little straps everywhere. We'll
Okay.
talk about those in a second. But yeah, this is, I mean, that's the gist of it. As far as opening, it's very simple.
Yeah. Okay.
Your Jeep is pretty perfect height for this
Really?
ladder.
Really?
Yeah, if you want to go a little bit, more dramatic of an angle, that should be fine too.
Now, do you want the ladder? How far out do you want the ladder before it's before you break the ladder? I mean, like, is this like a perfect height, or should I have it out a little further? Or does it matter?
It really kind of depends on what you're on. If you're on sand or if you're, the ultimate thing is this ladder supports this panel, so you want to make sure that it's solid, right?
Okay.
Right now in this position, this is fine. It's not
Okay.
going anywhere. It's solid. If we were to go out a little bit further out, I'd say, that's okay too.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
But this thing's not going to break. This holds like what, 200, 300 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay.
This should be fine.
That's all I want to know.
That you don't need to worry about.
Okay.
What you don't want to do is you don't want to have this panel unsupported and then climb up in there.
Oh yeah.
So if you're in, let's say,
Straight.
if you're in this position here, right,
Uh-huh.
and there's not any support given, there's nothing is locked here, because these steps will lock in half steps as well. Then you could potentially break this panel. So ideally, just make sure that the ladder feels solid and secure before you climb up it. So right there's that half step. That's pretty good. If I want it a little bit wider, I can always lock it out fully and bring it out to this.
And then level it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then there's already a mattress inside.
So yeah, the mattress,
Right.
everything else is inside right now. So
Okay.
because we've never opened this tent before, you'll go inside and you'll see that you have your mattress. There's also
Let's do this. Here.
we can open this up. So it comes just like this with the mattress. You have a seam sealer that iKamper sells or sends with it just in case something happens. And then over here is the bag with all of your poles. You can cinch them and it'll raise the whole
Oh
front.
yeah.
Oh,
So it's
Saw
kind of
that
like having
online.
blinds. Yeah, it's really cool.
Oh, nice.
So a nice feature. The other great thing with this tent, if you do end up going into cold weather, they do sell a insulation kit, a wall kit on the inside of the tent.
Oh, you know
Oh,
what?
Fits it and
okay.
insulates it.
I probably want to get that too.
Yeah, it's really cool. I mean, it's an awesome option because realistically, this is more of a 3-season tent. That definitely brings it to 4 seasons.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Okay, let's see how you close it.
Yeah, let me show you. So you see this strap right here?
Yeah.
This big strap? Typically when you're going to camp and you're setting up, what you want to do with the strap is just kind of throw it over
Okay.
and leave it over here.
Okay.
Okay? That way there's no question about where it is when you need to close this thing up.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so just
That makes
make
sense.
that a habit of always moving this to the back, just easier.
Okay.
So to close this up, we're gonna bring that strap over. Move it to this side here. And then it's a matter of just closing it up with the ladder.
Oh, I see. You push those
Ideally-
black buttons in.
Yeah, so to close this ladder,
Okay.
you just push these in
Okay.
with both sides at the same time.
Okay.
So when we get to this point, it's a little tough for the knee. This straps over
Okay.
and
Holds it,
holds it. Yep.
and then you put
Now,
the boot
we're not
on
putting
it.
any weight on this, so it's okay that it's unsupported right now.
Okay.
But we're gonna go here and grab our sock. Get these straps out of the doorway.
Wow, I'm excited. No more sleeping on the ground and inside the Jeep.
Yeah.
It's fun sleeping inside the Jeep, but man, you have no room. Oh, and what about
Why do you have
these?
that such a tall Jeep, huh?
Oh man, I don't know. What are these things for?
Oh, I'll show you right
And do
now.
they stay there?
Yeah,
Or just
these-
pull, oh, I see. Just pulls it in.
So, do you see where the sock is?
Yeah.
And you see
Yeah.
where that window is?
Yeah.
When it comes down, if you leave that, this uncovered, these feet,
Yeah.
they're gonna, they can scratch up your window, but also there's gonna be a chemical reaction between the materials. And that can discolor.
okay.
So definitely leave that on.
That makes sense.
So if you want to close this is that main strap. What these straps do is they help cinch everything. So as you're closing it, you can pull these,
Oh, I see.
and it makes it so much easier.
Oh, nice.
So do these
It's the
straps here, are they always in those positions where the little loophole is?
Yeah. And you
Okay.
can move them if you want to.
Okay.
The other thing with those loopholes that you saw is you can put accessories on those, which is really cool.
Okay.
So the shoe rack, the storage rack.
Yeah.
But yeah, as you come to it, I mean, you're just gonna kind of keep an eye.
Let's see over
If there's
here.
no fabric sticking
sitting
out. If there
outside.
is, just tuck it in a little bit more.
Okay.
And then what I like to do is when I get a little bit closer and I see that everything is out of the way,
Okay.
then I'll take these straps and I'll just tuck them in here.
Okay.
So when it
Oh,
opens
that's
up,
easy.
they're ready.
That's great. Awesome.
And that's it.
Oh, this is awesome.
then this comes down.
Just,
You have the
let's
keys
see.
on you?
Yeah, let me see how easy it is. Let me feel it.
So yeah, if you're gonna
Let me
lock
feel
it,
how easy it is here. Just to kind of.
let's see if you can catch it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That's
My
way
recommendation
easy.
is get up on that side step on your
Yeah.
sliders and
Yeah, I'll do
push
that.
it from there.
Do it.
If you ever feel like this is too loose,
Uh-huh.
show you what I mean. When it's locked, if you're like, you know what, this is a little too loose,
Yeah.
just give this a couple of turns.
Oh,
okay.
I
Okay.
see. Okay.
So just turn this a few times
Oh, I see. Okay.
just to tighten it up a little bit more,
Yeah.
and then that's it.
It's
That
easy.
one. Yeah, it's a very easy setup. In fact, I'm gonna tighten this one.
I heard these are the new brackets that hold it in too.
Which ones?
What you're doing right now.
Yeah, this is the new
The
system.
new setup.
So
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, cool. Looks
Thank
great.
you, Ben.